In this video, you'll learn how to back up your computer to Google Drive using Google Drive for Desktop. By the end, you'll have your important files safely stored in the cloud, so you don't have to worry as much about losing them if something happens to your computer. First, make sure you have Google Drive for Desktop installed on your computer. This is a small program from Google that lets your computer talk directly to your Google Drive storage online. If you don't see it already installed, you can download it from Google's official website by searching for Google Drive for Desktop in your browser and following the installation steps. Once it's installed, you're ready to begin. Today, I'll show you how to open Google Drive for Desktop and get to the right settings. On Windows, you'll usually find the Google Drive icon in the system tray at the bottom right of your screen. On a Mac, you'll typically see it in the menu bar at the top. Click the Google Drive icon to open its small control panel. From here, look for the gear icon or the word Settings. Click that and then choose Preferences. This is where you'll control what gets backed up from your computer. Now we're in the main Preferences window. This is where Google Drive for Desktop shows you what parts of your computer are currently being synced or backed up. Under the section called My Computer, you'll see any folders that are already selected. To add new ones, click the button labeled Add Folder. This tells Google Drive that you want to protect more of your files. Next, a file browser window will appear, letting you choose which folders on your computer you want to back up. Common choices are your Documents folder, your Desktop, and your Pictures folder. Since these usually contain your most important files and photos, you can select one folder at a time, and if you want to add multiple folders, you can repeat this process for each one. Take a moment to think about where you save your work files, personal documents, and photos, and include those locations. Once you've chosen a folder, you'll see options related to how it's backed up. I'm going to walk you through how to make sure it goes to Google Drive. Look for the option that says Backup to Google Drive and turn it on, or check the box next to it. This tells the app that you want a copy of this folder stored safely in your Google account online. Some versions might also mention syncing with your computer, but for this tutorial, focus on enabling backup to Google Drive itself. You can repeat this step for each folder you want to protect. I'll show you the easiest way to manage this. Add a folder, make sure backup to Google Drive is enabled, confirm the settings, and then move on to the next folder. When you're happy with your selection and everything looks correct under the My Computer section, click Done to start the backup. At this point, Google Drive for Desktop will begin uploading your selected folders to your Google Drive account in the background. The time it takes will depend on how many files you have and how fast your internet connection is. You can keep using your computer while this happens. Just make sure you stay connected to the internet and leave Google Drive for Desktop running. Once the initial upload is complete, any new changes you make in those folders will automatically sync to Google Drive, keeping your backup up to date without any extra effort from you.